Yo, what's up? My name is Carlos, and today I'm gonna share with you some great low impact cardio exercise you can do right here at the Long Meadow Farms Fitness Center.
So if you have knee, hip, or ankle pain, or just prefer low impact cardio, these machines are some of the best ways to burn calories without stressing your joints. So first up is the rower. This machine gives you a full body cardio workout while staying completely low impact. You're using your legs, core, and upper body together, which means you burn more calories in less time. Keep your strokes smooth. Keep your back tall and aim for a steady pace that gets your heart rate up without causing any lower body pain. Next is the upright bike. Cycling is one of the safest cardio options for anyone with knee or ankle issues. There's zero impact, you control the resistance, and you can go as light or as challenging as you need. Keep your RPM steady, push through your heels, and gradually increase resistance to raise your calorie burn while still protecting your joints. Now the last one is the elliptical. It feels like walking or jogging, but without the impact. With this one, your feet never leaves the pedals, which keeps pressure off your knees. Add a light incline or increase resistance to boost calorie burn, and focus on long controlled strides. The elliptical is perfect for getting your heart rate up while staying completely joint friendly. Now for best results, aim for low impact cardio 3 to 5 days per week for 20 to 30 minutes. Start low, stay consistent, and listen to your body. And if you're looking for another joint friendly cardio workout you can do right at home, tap the video here. Your joints will thank you.